Bandwidth fiber versus copper cable. Which supplies more bandwidth, fiber versus copper? What is bandwidth? Bandwidth is the best defined as the maximum data transfer rate of data, usually internet connectivity, or a network capacity which is generally expressed in gigabits per second or megabits per second. The more bandwidth offers by your business internet services, the more data you can transmit at one time. Bandwidth is not the same as spend since bandwidth refers to the maximum amount of data transfer per second. Measures of internet speed are based on the actual rate of data transfer per second. Bandwidth is effectively the amount of potential speed which can be used. However, a slow data connection and other connectivity issues such as packet loss and jitter are frequently caused by insufficient bandwidth. Bandwidth is critically important, but it's not the only factor which will impact the quality of business internet services. Speed, performance, and reliability can often be confused with bandwidth and are likely equally important to business satisfaction with a data connection. Bandwidth is a significant difference between copper versus fiber, but these technologies also provide different level of reliability and cost for equipment required to transmit data. The difference between fiber and copper. Underlying technologies cause the bandwidth gap between fiber and copper. Fiber internet uses thin bundle of optical fibers or strands of very pure glass as narrow as a human hair to transmit data using pulses of infrared laser light. Copper cable literally use copper wire and a significantly bulkier technology which was first designed to carry voice calls via electrical pulse. The bandwidth differences are effectively the difference between photons and electrons. Copper uses electrons for data transmission while fiber uses photons. Light is faster than electrical pulse. So fiber can transmit more bit of data per second and offer higher bandwidth. The transmission capabilities aren't the only difference between these technologies. However, distance all data signals degrade over a range, but fiber offers significantly better signal durability. Fiber only loses 3% of the signal over distance greater than 100 meter compared to copper's 94% loss of signal. Interference. Fiber optics bundle do not conduct electrical currents, making fiber data connection fully resistant to fire, electromagnetic interference, lightning, or radio signal. Copper cables are designed to conduct electricity, making copper internet vulnerable to power lines, lightning, and deliberate signal scrambling. Durability. Copper cable can easily be broken during an installation or by accident. Despite its large size, copper has a low tolerance for tension. Fiber is smaller, lighter, and more durable than copper cabling and can generally only be damaged through deliberately vandalism. Though you do have to be careful with fiber as it is made out of glass. Typically, it's needs in a protective coat to make it more durable. How much more bandwidth does fiber provides versus copper? Fiber technology provides, generally speaking, are more likely to offer symmetrical bandwidth to customers which equate to equal upload and download speed. This capability can be found with copper high-speed internet providers, though it's rare. What are the other considerations? Is bandwidth important? Absolutely. Having enough bandwidth is critical to modern business operations. If your data connection lacks bandwidth, you may struggle to use cloud applications or communicate with clients through voice over IP phones, web conferencing, or other forms of unified communication. If you are reach the bandwidth limits of your existing internet service, scaling your data connectivity to increase bandwidth is necessary to protect productivity and growth. However, bandwidth isn't the only consideration which should impact your decision about upgrading to fiber. Price, reliability, latency, and security are some other factors to keep in mind. How much does fiber internet cost? The cost of installing fiber internet for the first time can vary widely for businesses, even in the same metro area. The primary factor which impacts the cost of a fiber installation is your proximity to fiber resources. If your business is already lit for fiber, your setup will be much cheaper than a company which is located a significant distance from resources.